After a fun day of playing in the mud, Rhett takes some of his favorite vehicles to Rhett's car wash. Come along to join in on the fun. We had a few days of rain this weekend, and so Rhett and his tractors are enjoying the mud puddles. Your tractors are going to be nice and muddy, Rhett. But these tractors are the tractors we're taking to the beach. I think we're going to have to give them a bath, aren't we? So we can put them in the car and they won't be all muddy. Is he making a mud road?
Huh?
Are you an excavator scooping up all the Orbeez?
Huh?
Yeah. Let's look how big the Orbeez got from the rain.
Huh?
Look at all those Orbeez. Wow. Excavator's gonna be nice and muddy, isn't he? Moving all those Orbeez.
See?
I see. What a good job you're doing. I think Excavator's gonna need a bath. Good work, Excavator.
Down.
He's done. Good job. Rhett, not only are your toys muddy, but you're super muddy. Was that a lot of fun playing in the mud? Was that fun? Yeah. All right, let's go clean up. Okay, Rhett, we got you all cleaned up. We changed your pants and got the mud off of you. Now it's time to get the mud off of your cars, your construction vehicles. Are you ready to fill it up? All right, you got your scrub brush, you got the water, and I've got the soap. All right, let's put a little soap in there. You want to pour it?
Yeah.
Here, come get the soap and pour it.
Okay.
All right, now let's pour some water in. Got to pour water in there. Spray the water. Keep filling it up really good. Fill it up really high, buddy. A little bit more. Look at all those bubbles.
Wow.
That is a lot. All right, which one's first? Skid steer. Excavator. Backhoe. Who was that, road roller?
Yeah.
And front loader. All right, let's wash them, bud. You gonna get your scrub brush? Yeah. Hey, you have a toothbrush over here too you can use. You can do some detailing with the toothbrush.
Go.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. You got bubbles on your fingers?
Yeah.
You want the toothbrush?
Yeah. Go, go.
You scrubbing all the mud off the tires?
Go, go.
Scrub them real good. We gotta get them nice and clean so we can take them to the beach.
Hmm.
We can't take muddy toys in the car to the beach. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Go, go, go.
You're doing a good job.
See?
Yeah, I see. Excavator's getting good and clean.
Huh?
Let him scoop up the bubbles. While he plays, he can be cleaning up. Good idea. There you go.
See?
I know, I see.
Quick, quick.
There you go. Good job. You could use this detailing brush. You want to use this detailing brush on him? Here. It'll get in his grooves really good. See, can I show you? Come here. Here, use that and you can get into his teeth really good.
Wow.
Did it fall in the bubbles?
There.
There it is. Use that. That's a good detailing brush.
See?
Yeah. In an excavator's teeth.
What?
Good job. Steamroller?
Huh?
Front loader. Where's your skid steer? It's hiding in all the bubbles.
Huh?
Where's skid steer?
Really?
You want to pick him up and clean him? He's so little.
Huh?
He's kind of lost in all the bubbles.
Yeah.
Let me look. There he is. All right, do you think they're nice and clean? Not yet? A little bit more? Look at all that muddy water. They were disgusting. They worked really hard today in the mud, didn't they, Rhett?
Huh?
Excavator picked up a lot of Orbeez too.
Huh?
Yeah. All right, I think it's time to rinse. They're nice and clean. Let's pour out the yucky muddy water. Let's dump it. All right, let's fill it up with some fresh water. And then we can rinse it. Fill it up with fresh water. Clean water. A little bit more so you can rinse them off. What are you spraying now? The bumblebees?
Huh?
All right, let's rinse off your cars. All right, spray your cars off. Give them a good rinse. You got Mama wet. It's okay. You got wet too? Good job, bud. All clean. Let's look at them. Wow, they look so much better, Rhett. All the mud's off. Now it's time to dry them. Let's put your toys in the pool, Rhett, so they'll dry off. And then we can take them to the beach and use them in the sand. Good job, Rhett. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching RNA Play Squad. We hope you had fun getting muddy and all clean today with Rhett. Hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.